Hello friends, this is Deepa and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Postgre on your Windows operating system 11. So first, let's try to understand what is PostgreSQL. It is an open source advanced object relational database system and it is most of the popular object relational database system. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for PostgreSQL. You can see the link over here from the postgresql.org. So just click on this link. This is the home page of PostgreSQL.org. Click on the downloads. So here are the installers available for different operating systems and we have Windows 11 operating system. So I will click on this Windows. So this installer is provided by EDB. You can see here interactive installer by EDB and the installer is available over here. Download the installer. Before that, we'll try to understand what it includes. This installer includes the PostgreSQL server, PgAdmin, which is a graphical tool for managing and developing your database, and most of the queries you will write from the PgAdmin. Again, the stack builder, which is a package manager for downloading and installing additional PostgreSQL tools and drivers. So let's start installing this. Click on this, download the installer. You will see the latest version available is 17.4 and we are installing for Windows 64-bit. So click on this arrow to get downloaded and you can see here the download has been started and the download has been completed. So click on this. The message has been displayed as user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If you are getting this message, just click on yes and you can see the download has been started. Just click on next and you can see here the installation directory and the PostgreSQL will be installed on this particular path. If you want to change, you can change it. Click on the next and this is a list which we are going to install on our machine. That is a PostgreSQL server, PgAdmin 4. Just now we have discussed about this, and command line tool and stack builder. So just click on next. This is the path where your data will get stored. So click on next and you can give the password over here. So I will give my password. Make sure you will save this password and you will need this in the future. May 2025. Click on next. And this is the port which is a default port for your PostgreSQL. So you keep it, or if you want you can change, but I will keep as is. Next, this is the database default local, so I will keep this by default. And next, this is the summary and you can find these are the things getting installed on your machine. So click on next. So installation is started now. It will take some time. And you can see the setup has finished installing PostgreSQL on my machine and this checkbox is selected for stack builder installation and I will keep as it is right now and click on the finish button. Right now I don't want stack builder, so I will click on this cancel, yes, and the installation is completed. So we'll go to the PgAdmin. So just click on this search for PgAdmin. You can see this PgAdmin 4 app. So just click on this and the PgAdmin has been loaded and you can see this there is a server. Please enter the password for the user Postgres to connect to the server. So I will enter here May 2025 and click on the save password. So it will not ask you again and again, and click on OK. So we have connected to the server now and these are the databases. You can, this is a default database. You can create your own database as well and you can see the schema here. Within in the schema, you can find the tables, and here you can create your own tables. By right clicking on this and create tables, you can create the tables. This is how you can install the Postgres SQL on your machine and you can use it. If you have any queries, let me know through the comments, so I will help you out. And if you like this video, please subscribe it, share with your friends, and keep coding.